So I've made a little bit of a refactor to routes that need to be authenticated. What I've done is I've wrapped those routes or components in a higher order component, and I've used Svelte slots to render this conditionally if a user's logged in. The reason I did that is that sometimes you can have errors that the auth user stores undefined in a template if there's no one's logged in, or if you click log out inside of a component like this. So how this works is that we have this new authenticated Svelte component which has this logic for going back to the home page if no one's logged in, and that's reactive based on the store here. And then we have the content here that depends on this, and that won't be rendered if this doesn't exist, which will stop other annoying errors happening. And so also on the settings page, I've kind of blacked some of the stuff out, and I'll get around to updating it. So the way that we use the settings now is that email, password are separate forms. So there'll be 3 forms, and I have custom settings for other stuff. And the actual template is now rendered inside of this authenticated parent component. So let's see. So also what we do is now, so that we can compare emails versus what's in the store, we do a clone of the existing store, and we use that to compare things on the submit event. And then we just have some checks to see if the user's email is the same. We just throw this error here, alert, and then also we have this Firebase update user email thing, and that is this code here. So there's just a Firebase method called update email. It's on the user, and if there's an error, then we just throw an error, and that will cancel the spinner on the settings page. So let's just show you this in action. So we've got this email here. And if I just click update email now, you see that we have a little error here. No UI, of course. It's up to you guys to do that however you want, but as I said, I do the alerts because it's just consistent without having to muck around with DOM here. So if we change this email, I'm going to click update email now. So what it does, if you haven't actually logged in for a while, then you'll get an error popping back saying you have to log in again because it's a high security setting. But in this case, I've just logged in, and so the email is being changed temporarily, but it's not actually confirmed yet. So I've not actually updated anything up here. And what that will do is that you'll get an email on the back end, and if you click on that verify, then of course you're going to update your email permanently. Now make sure that that's an email you can use, otherwise you won't be able to log in again. You know, it's a given. What else? So that's really all I want to talk about this video here. Just feel free to look along with the code, and I won't do a release for this version, but you can follow along when the commits on GitHub. And yeah, please smash that like button. If you want, we can do a lot more videos on this series. If it's helpful, then if you guys hit that like button, then I know that these videos are interesting for you, and it really motivates me to keep going on this series, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're almost up to 500 here, so really appreciate all you guys watching this channel, supporting, and we'll see you guys shortly. Bye bye.